Question number one. What is the normal hemoglobin level in adult female? Correct option is C, 12 to 16 gram per deciliter. Question number two. Which artery is commonly used to check pulse in infants? Correct option is D, brachial artery. Question number three. What is the most common site of ectopic pregnancy? Correct option is C, fallopian tube. Question number four. What does fundal height reach the umbilicus? Correct option is A, 20th weeks. Question number five. Which position is contraindicated in spinal injury? Correct option is D, Trendelenburg. Question number six. Which drug turns urine orange in TB treatment? Correct option is B, Rifampicin. Question number seven. What is the most common complication of diabetes? Correct option is D, all of the above. Question number 8. What is the recommended site for insulin injection? Correct option is B, abdomen. Question number 9. Which disease is prevented by DPT vaccine? Correct option is D, all of the above. Question number 10. What is the most common cause of acute renal failure? Correct option is A, dehydration. Question number 11. What is the drug of choice for status epilepticus? Correct option is B, diazepam. Question number 12. What is the most common cause of neonatal jaundice? Correct option is D, physiological. Question number 13. Which drug is used in bradycardia during CPR? Correct option is C, atropine. Question number 14. What is the first symptom of hypoglycemia? Correct option is B, sweating. Question number 15. What is the normal range of serum creatinine in adult? Correct option is B, 0.6 to 1.2 milligram per deciliter. Question number 16. Which sign indicates meningeal irritation? Correct option is C, Kerning sign. Question number 17. What is the most common complication of hypertension? Correct option is A, stroke. Question number 18. What is the most common cause of cirrhosis? Correct option is A, alcohol. Question number 19. What is the most common site for pressure ulcer? Correct option is C, sacrum. Question number 20. Which stage of labor is called expulsion stage? Correct option is D. Second stage of labor. Question number 21. Which factor initiate intrinsic pathway of coagulation? Correct option is C. Factor 12. Question number 22. Which wave in ECG represent ventricular depolarization? Correct option is B. QRS complex. Question number 23. Which vitamin deficiency causes bleeding tendency? Correct option is D. Vitamin K. Question number 24. Which hormone increases sodium reabsorption in kidney? Correct option is B. Aldosterone. Question number 25. Which neurotransmitter is released at neuromuscular junction? Correct option is C. Acetylcholine. Question number 26. Which hormone shows circadian rhythm? Correct option is B. Cortisol. Question number 27. Which hormone is secreted by adrenal medulla? Correct option is C. Adrenaline. Question number 28. Why does progesterone increase basal body temperature? Correct option is D. Increased metabolism. Question number 29. Which ion is mainly responsible for resting membrane potential? Correct option is C. Potassium. Question number 30. Which change occurs during depolarization of neuron? Correct option is C. Sodium ion influx. Question number 31. Which leukocyte increase in parasitic infection? Correct option is B. Eosinophils. Question number 32. Why does venous blood pressure remain low? Correct option is D. Distance from heart. Question number 33. Which gas transport from carries maximum carbon dioxide in blood? Correct option is A. Bicarbonate ion. Question number 34. Which substance is freely pelted in it glomerulus? Correct option is C. Glucose. Question number 35. Which track carries pain and temperature sensation? Correct option is B. Spinothalamic. Question number 36. Which hormone increases basal metabolic rate? Correct option is C. Thyroxine. Question number 37. Which hormone act as second messenger system? Correct option is D. ADH hormone. Question number 38. Which condition increases membrane's permeability to sodium? Correct option is C. Depolarization. Question number 39. Which substance stimulates gastrin secretion? Correct option is A. Proteins. Question number 40. Which nephron segment is impermeable to water? Correct option is C. Ascending limb. Question number 41. Which solution causes hemolysis if IV infused IV? Correct option is the distal water. Question number 42. Which of the following organ is first affected by hypoxia? Correct option is a brain. Question number 43. Why does nephrotic syndrome causes edema? Correct option is C. Loss of albumin. Question number 44. Which vitamin deficiency causes bleeding tendency? Correct option is D. Vitamin K. Question number 45. Which hormone deficiency causes polyuria? Correct option is A. ADH hormone. Question number 46. Which electrolyte mainly maintain acid-base balance? Correct option is B. Chloride. Question number 47. Which substance increases oncotic pressure of blood? Correct option is B. Albumin. Question number 48. Which imbalance causes confusion and seizures? Correct option is a hyponatremia. Question number 49. Which cell is responsible for antibody production? Correct option is B cells. Question number 50. Which hormone prepares body for stress? Correct option is D. Cortisol. Question number 51. Which unit is used to measure radiation dose? Correct option is C. Gray. Question number 52. Which instrument records hard electrical activity? Correct option is A. ECG. Question number 53. Which vitamin deficiency causes a peripheral neuropathy? Correct option is A. Vitamin B1. Question number 54. Which ion primarily maintains a resting membrane potential? Correct option is D. Potassium. Question number 55. Which of the following vitamin is water soluble? Correct option is C. Vitamin C. Question number 56. Which electrolyte shipped out of cell in acidosis? Correct option is B. Potassium. Question number 57. Which acid-base disorder occurs in prolonged vomiting? Correct option is A. Metabolic alkalosis. Question number 58. Which vitamin deficiency leads to poor wound healing? Correct option is C. Vitamin C. Question number 59. Which nutrient is essential for collagen synthesis? Correct option is A, protein. Question number 60. Which electrolyte is high in extracellular fluid? Correct option is A, sodium. Question number 61. Which mineral deficiency causes anemia despite normal iron? Correct option is B, copper. Question number 62. Which vitamin deficiency causes rickets? Correct option is D, C, vitamin D. Question number 63. Which hormone prepares body for stress? Correct option is A, cortisol. Question number 64. Which organ regulates body temperature? Correct option is D, hypothalamus. Question number 65. Why is iron supplementation avoided in thalassemia? Correct option is B, iron overload. Question number 66. Which organ synthesize clotting factors? Correct option is A, liver. Question number 67. Which device measures air movement in lungs? Correct option is C, spirometer. Question number 68. Which vitamin deficiency causes beriberi? Correct option is B, vitamin B1. Question number 69. Which mineral deficiency reduce ATP formation? Correct option is D, magnesium. Question number 70. Which acid base disorder occurs in diabetic ketoacidosis? Correct option is A, metabolic acidosis. Question number 71. Which hormone causes uterine contraction? Correct option is B, oxytocin. Question number 72. Which energy transfer causes heat loss in cold wind? Correct option is B, convection. Question number 73. Which principle explain sweating cooling the body? Correct option is C, evaporation. Question number 74. Which law explain air pressure volume relationship in lungs? Correct option is B, Boyle's law. Question number 75. Which factor reduce radiation exposure? Correct option is D, all of the above. Question number 76. Which vitamin helps calcium absorption? Correct option is D, vitamin D. Question number 77. Which electrolyte is essential for enzyme activation? Correct option is B, magnesium. Question number 78. Which nutrient is primary energy source for brain? Correct option is C, glucose. Question number 79. Which electrolyte imbalance causes paresthesia? Correct option is a hypocalcemia. Question number 80. Why does anemia causes shortness of breath? Correct option is the heart failure.